Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You. So in this video, we will be seeing some very important PYQs along with the solutions that were asked in Deloitte NLA. Now friends, before beginning with the questions, I would like to say a few things on this Deloitte crash course that we are bringing. See, we all can agree to a common point like practice makes us perfect, right? So this Deloitte crash course consists of certain questions that were asked in the previous years along with some practice questions. So there's a mix of many types of questions like the aptitude, reasoning, verbal abilities, their technical MCQs, along with the coding questions. So in one course, you will be getting the test of different topics. And not only this, there are also live classes, the PDFs will be available. So I would like to recommend you guys to buy this course and get the benefit of this extra learning. Okay, so moving on to our main concern topic is the PYQs because a very recent NLA will be there and the verbal ability section is a very important section as in every exam it is asked. So we will be starting with the first question. Now you will be given some directions and followed by some answers out of which one will be correct. So you have to choose that one. Now the first question states like identify if the underlined part in the below sentence is in correct form or not. So there will be a given sentence with a few or more words underlined in it. So you have to check that whether it is correct or not. So in this particular question, we are having this thing. Had they in sail for one or more day before leaving the Gulf. So had they in sail makes no sense in English to start the sentence. So out of the four options we are given, the first says that they had to sell. They had to sell for one more day. It makes sense. Option B, had they in sell, it's the same option. All sell they had, it's also incorrect. And selling to be gone is also incorrect. So the first option will be the correct option because they had to sail for one more day before leaving the Gulf. So yeah, option A is the correct one. Moving on to the next question. Identify if the underlined part in the below sentence is incorrect. If yes, choose the option which makes the sentence grammatically correct. If no, choose the option that is the same as the underlined part. The same thing that we are given with some underlined words from a sentence. We have to choose that if it is incorrect or not. So the sentence states like this. Although he was the friendliest of all present and different from the others, he hadn't hardly had. Now here comes the incorrect portion. He hadn't hardly heard any friends except me. So this is the incorrect thing we can easily identify. So the first question, than the others. Now the first part of the question says like this, of all present and different from others. Now different from the others is the correct one. So we will be not changing this part. So automatically option A becomes the wrong one because it consists of than. So let's see the next answer. From the others, he hadn't hardly had any friends except me. Again, the same thing. It's also incorrect. Option C states something like this that from the others he hardly had any friends except me. This sounds okay. Let's put it in the original question. Although he was the friendliest of all present and different from the others, he hardly had any friends except me. This is the correct thing. Because why it was incorrect? Because in this sentence, hadn't and had both are present, which is the incorrect thing. Okay, so the correct option is option C. From the others, he hardly had any friends except me. Moving on to the next question, friends. Identify if the underlined part, the same thing. He trades both precious as well as non-precious elements. Now, both and as well as refer to the same meaning. So we can use one of them. Using two of them will be very illogical and will sound wrongful in English. So he trades both precious as well as no. He trades both precious and non-precious elements. This sounds correct. He trade in precious and non-precious elements also. Also is not going in this sentence. He trades both precious along with some non-precious elements. This is also incorrect. So if we put the second option in the question, it will sound like this, that he trades both precious and non-precious elements from plastics to sepals to 24 karat gold. So the correct option will be option B. Now, next question, it states that choose the most logical order of the given sentence to construct a coherent paragraph. Simply in, we can say that we have to rearrange. Okay. So the rule of rearranging is very simple. First, we need to identify the subject of the statement. Basically, there are two parts, subject and predicate. So first we will be identifying the subject. Now, option A, the Planning Commission and the UNDP have recently compiled some of the most successful experiments in a first of its kind report. So Planning Commission, we have got a subject. We can start with A. Option B, later after the plague epidemic of 1994, Rogi Kalyan Samiti later is there, so it can't be the starting statement. Rajasthan, for example, is there, it also can't be the starting statement. This project, so this is there, it can neither be the starting statement. So option A, we will be going with the starting statement because Planning Commission is the subject here. Now, friends, many questions we can find that if we solve the first statement, the automatically gets rearranged. For example, in this question, if we take option A as the first statement, we can obviously see that there is only one option that can start with the A part. Okay, so we can easily identify this is the correct statement. Still, for cross check, you can do like the Planning Commission and the UNDP have recently compiled some of the most successful social experiments in a first of its kind report. So this is the A part. Next, D, this project. So this refers to the projects that were planned by the Planning Commission. So these projects reflect a need to shift from a top-down approach to a more participative one and improve the delivery of government schemes to the poor. So D is also fitting in this. After that, C, Rajasthan, for example, initiated the Shiksha Karmi project way back in 1987 based on the well-known Telonia model. So C is also going, and the B later after the plague. Now the later will come because now when we talk, we can't start a statement with later. Later can come in the middle or at the end. So in the last, we are having the B as the later part. Okay. So the third option will be the correct one. Now, number five, again, we have to predict the order of the statement. Now, hardware is that part of the computer system which is physically hard or tangible. Any program through which we communicate with the software is a software. Computers are fundamentally, now here's the fundamental principle that is being discussed by the statement. Okay, so computers are fundamentally divided into two parts, hardware and software. So this is our first one. After this, software is further divided. Now, after this, there can be two parts that are elaborating the hardware and software. but we will be taking the hardware as the second statement because software is having two statements. Okay, like the definition software and the types of software. So the definition of the software will be taking it as 3 and the types of software will be taking as 4. So the correct sequence will be RPQS, the first option. Okay, so the first option will be the correct one. Now, number 6, the direction of the question is out of the words or phrases given below. The position of one is fixed. Choose the most logical order of the remaining words or phrases to construct a coherent sentence. Now, the starting of the sentence is given as while the Grand Canyon. Now, after this PQRST, you have to rearrange in a meaningful order. So while the Grand Canyon with around 5 million P can't come, while the Grand Canyon visitors enjoying this is also incorrect. While the Grand Canyon it is an extremely no. While the Grand Canyon is neither the widest, so this can come in place of one. While the Grand Canyon is neither the widest, longest, nor the deepest. Why we are going with uh, T as the second statement? Because neither nor should be in consecutive order. So while the Grand Canyon is neither the widest, longest, nor the deepest canyon in the world, it is an extremely popular tourist destination with around 5 million visitors enjoying its immense beauty every year. So the correct sequence will be S T R P Q. This is the thing. We have done it. Okay. So moving on to the next question, out of the 4 underlined phrases marked A, B, C, and D, choose the phrase which is wrong or inappropriate in the context of the sentence. So we are having a sentence that is divided into 4 parts, namely A, B, C, D. We have to check which is the inappropriate one with respect to the meaning of the sentence. I think that I can no longer see my children or feel them around me without have my heart. Now here comes the error part. Without have my heart is verbally incorrect. We can use without having my heart. Okay. So option C will be the incorrect part. Okay. Let's check once. Yeah, C is the incorrect one. Now one more, the same question. That's when she learned that the casual construction laborers who had come to do the work were skipping school in order to earn something to the family. Now, some they can earn something for the family, not to the family. So the incorrect part lies in option D. So our correct thing will be option D. Now, number 9 states something like this, that identify if the underlined part in the below sentence is incorrect. The same thing, like we will be checking that this underlined part is incorrect or not. If Shri leaves for the bus station before 7, she will be catching the bus on time. Now, the statement has got this flow that if Shri leaves for the bus station, like something like Shri gets late, but if she leaves before 7, like she can catch. Okay, so she would catch will not come because here we are having the present tense and would is a past tense. So A will not be there. She can catch. She would be catching, again the same logic applies. She will be catching is the same as this given in the question. So option B will be the correct one. That is, she can catch. Now we will be having some prepositions mainly. So we have to fill in the blanks with the most appropriate word that can be suitable in the questions. Her laziness in clearing the garbage resulted in an ant infestation. Like, you know what is ant infestation? Like many ants gathered, okay, due to the garbage. Now resulted in an ant infestation because here resulted will take in as the answer. Okay, so her laziness in clearing the garbage resulted in an ant infestation. She spent the entire evening sitting dash a corner, not interacting with anyone. Now, this is very simple. Sitting in a corner. The trees in the neighboring jungles are being cut down at an alarming rate because you cut the tree down. Okay. Next, it is rude to laugh dash someone's failure, like rude to laugh someone's failure. Next question. Though they hail dash Chennai, they have spent their lives in Delhi. So the sentence basically means like this, that they originated from Chennai, but they have spent most of their lives in Delhi. So hail takes from. Okay. So the correct sentence will be though they hail from Chennai, they have spent their lives in Delhi. Number 15. Jay was unhappy about the bullying but decided not to complain dash to the teacher, complain to the teacher. Okay. Now, in this question, we are having the passage. We have to read the passage and answer accordingly. Okay. So the passage starts something with this, like developmental psychologist, sorry, developmental psychologists have long been interested in how parents affect child development. So the passage deals with something like developmental psychologist. Okay. However, finding actual cause and effect links between specific actions of parents and children is difficult. Some children raised in dramatically different environments can later grow up to have remarkably similar nature. Conversely, children who share a home and are raised together can grow up to have very different natures. One study published in 2006 found that the parents of children who exhibited difficult behavior began to exhibit less parental control. So this developmental psychologist, what they're thinking, like parents and their care have a relation to the behavior of the child. Okay, like we see that in the same house when two childs grow, they tend to share the same nature. Okay, such kids might misbehave not because their parents were too permissive, but because the parents of difficult or aggressive children gave up on trying to control their kids. These correlations between parenting styles and behaviors are weak. Cultural factors also play an important role in parenting styles. So, cultural factor is also a very important role in developing the parenting styles in the children. Okay. So, parenting styles and child outcomes, which psychologists discovered while studying the effects of television on child behavior. So, this was the overall passage. Now, looking on to the question, developmental psychology only deals with establishing a link between parents and child development. Now, only deals is incorrect because we have seen that cultural factors also play a very important role. So, this is a false statement. Okay, let's check. So the answer will be false because developmental psychology only deals with establishing a link between parents and child is false because we have seen that cultural factors along with some other factors also plays an important role. So this marks the end of today's session. All the very best for your exams and take care. Bye.